Pistol. Only. Challenge.
This is Talk. Entry team, suspects have taken refuge in the area and are refusing to cooperate. Move in.
Put your hands up! Let me see those hands!
Please,
Put your hands up! Stay calm.
What the fuck? Go after them, not me.
High ground to Talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
Talk to Element. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Entry team to Talk. Suspect is breathing but unconscious.
Talk reporting. Copy. EMTs and trailers are standing by.
This is protocol.
This doesn't make any sense.
Lead to Talk. We have a civilian in custody.
Talk to high ground. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
Turn around, don't get up. Stay here. Do not get in our way.
What are those for?
Talk. Civilian is standing by for trailers.
Talk to entry team. Great work, entry team. Keep it up.
I just want to go home.
Element to Talk. Civilian is in custody, requesting escort.
Talk to entry team. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
High ground to Talk. One suspect down, responsive.
Talk to Element. Copy, EMTs and trailers are standing by.
Police, get your hands up!
Hey, I work here.
Entry team to Talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Talk to high ground.
We're not here for you.
I'm not even supposed to be here.
Lead to Talk. Civilian is secured.
This is Talk. Great work, entry team. Keep it up. Talk to entry team. Excellent work, entry team. Report to center for debrief.